Your job is already being deleted right now. Not tomorrow, not next year. It is happening today. 14 million people lost careers in 2025 alone. The companies doing this are selling shares publicly today. So you can be destroyed by them or own them. Every AI killing jobs runs on one company's chip. No NVIDIA chip means no AI replacing humans worker period. ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini all bow to NVIDIA without exception. Revenue hit $150 million in 2025 alone. The engine of destruction is also the safest investment today. Microsoft put AI inside every tool your office uses. Copilot writers, your emails, reports, and presentation completely alone now. One person with Copilot now replaces an entire 5% team. Microsoft owns 49% of OpenAI right now legally. Your challenge redundancy is making Microsoft shareholder richer every single day. Amazon warehouse in 2026 barely need a single human anymore. AI card refuse eliminated entire customer service departments globally already. Every driver, warehouse worker, support agent is being quietly automated now. AWS powers 60% of every AI startup replacing human today. Amazon is not a store, it is a human replacement machine. Google Gemini writes better code than most human developers today. Entire engineering teams replaced by single monthly Gemini subscription right now. DeepMind solved in weeks what scientists failed at for 50 years. Google owns the AI that thinks faster than any human brain. If your job requires thinking, Google is already automating it completely. Most people never hear this name, but they absolutely should. Palantir builds AI that make decisions governments and militaries now trust. Every major Western military signed Palantir contracts in 2025 already. Intelligence officers analyze at military planets are being systematically replaced quietly. Most dangerous, most profitable AI stock almost nobody is watching today. 5 companies are engineering your unemployment with complete legal protection today. Brutal truth. Are you the victim or the investor now? Every replaced worker made these shareholders wealthier, not poorer ever. You cannot stop this machine, but you can own it. Only protection against replacement is owning exactly what replaces you. 14 million jobs erased and mainstream media said almost nothing. These 5 companies will not slow down, they will accelerate violently. You know what most workers will learn too late. Save this video, your future income depends on this knowledge. So subscribe now, next video shows exactly how to start today.